Hello, welcome back guys to a brand new video. So this video is a little bit different than usual. So this is going to be a new series on the channel based on tutorials, and of course there will be the other videos of devlogs as well in the future. So in today's video we're going to see how to make a score system and a highest score display, which is very simple using Unity. So before this video begins, make sure you subscribe and join our Discord server. There will be links in the description. So I'm not used to tutorials, but for this we need a game to show the score. So we're going to make a simple one based on just a button, and that's what we're doing. So let's make a button and place it in the center and scale it up and change the text to add score. So I will speed this up and come back. So as you can see, I set up a clicking game. So the next thing is to make a new C# script that I'm going to name score and wait for Visual Studio to load. There we go. So the first thing we make is a public int and name it score. We are interacting with the UI element, so we need to import the UI namespace, so unity engine.ui, and the public text we name score. Oh, we change it to current score. So for the button we need to make a new function, so public void add score button and score plus equal 1. So we go back to Unity and we need to attach the script we just made to a game object. You can choose any game object, it doesn't really matter here, Caveness for example, and we also attach the score text to the script. Let me just find the right text. Then we need to update the text to match the score, so we go back to script and in update function current score.text is equal to score.toString. We hit save and test this out, and it's not working. Okay, I forgot to add something, so we need to go to the button and add the game object where the script is located, which is Caveness. So the name of the script is score and add score button, and now it should be working. Yep, for every click the score goes up. Now we wanted to save the highest score that we achieved, so we go back to the script and use the player prefs function available in Unity that allows you to store and access player preferences between game sessions. So to do that, we type player prefs.set int because we have an integer and we name it highest score, and it takes the value of score. So we want this code to execute only when score is greater than what is stored in the player prefs. So player prefs.getIn this time highest score. We need to make another script for it. We go back to Unity and make a new C# code. Let's name it highest score and open this up. We need the text, so again we import the Unity engine.ui namespace and we name the text highest score. In start function we need the game to load the highest score on the first frame when the game is loaded, so player prefs.getInt highest score, and we need to assign this to the highest score text and convert it to string. Okay, this is not working. Oh, the text is missing. God. And like that, I think we're done with the script. So let's just go back to Unity and attach the script to a game object and the corresponding text to it and test this out. So let's try 6. The new highest score is 6. Great. Now I do only 2 and reload the game. The highest score is always 6. Let's try 9. And there it is, changed to 9. Great. Well, it's now working. If you want guys to see the script, here it is one more last time. I hope this video was helpful. I'm not used to do this kind of videos. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. That's it for today's video. Peace out.